While there is no specific mention of privacy in the U.S. Constitution, the Supreme Court, through a wide range of decisions, has held that privacy underpins rights outlined in the Bill of Rights. Samuel Warren and Louis Brandeis, in a seminal 1890 article for the Harvard Law Review titled "The Right of Privacy," outlined how the right to privacy developed over time. Warren and Brandeis wrote, "The right to life has come to mean the right to enjoy life, the right to be let alone. The right to liberty secures the exercise of extensive civil privileges, and the term property has grown to comprise every form of possession, intangible as well as tangible." The United Nations included the right to privacy in the 1948 Universal Declaration of Human Rights. According to the Declaration, no one shall be subjected to arbitrary interference with his privacy, family, home, or correspondence, nor to attacks upon his honor and reputation. Everyone has the right to the protection of the law against such interference or attacks. In the United States, the right to privacy implicit in the Constitution extends only against governmental intrusion. Legislation has created additional protections, including protections against corporate intrusions. One such act is the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act of 1998. COPPA placed parents in control over what information is collected online from children under the age of 13. Websites that collect or use personal information about children must notify parents, who must consent to collection and use. In education, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act of 1974 protects the privacy of students. Parents of children under 18, students age 18 and older, and college students of any age are allowed to inspect, correct, or amend student records. All schools who receive federal funding must abide by FERPA. Schools may only release directory information to the public. If an accrediting body or other similar legitimate parties has a need for non-directory information, schools may release the non-directory information. Also, if there is an immediate health or safety reason, non-directory information can be released. Directory information includes names, majors, and years of attendance, but does not include grades or transcripts. Any personally identifiable information that is not directory information is protected, but FERPA does not protect campus police or medical records. Should a student's privacy be violated under FERPA, the student is not allowed to sue for damages. However, federal funds can be withheld if there are patterns or practices that defy FERPA. In the digital age, the right to privacy is not as clear-cut. The interest in knowledge production conflicts with the right to privacy. Julie Cohen frames the argument as freedom versus control. Data mining, social media, cloud computing, and predictive analysis collide with the notion of privacy as a natural right. Organizations and government entities want information for the sake of efficiency, truth discovery, and public safety, while individuals want autonomy and self-determination. In a post-9/11 world, privacy in terms of government intrusion no longer exists. The National Security Administration, asserting authority through the Patriot Act of 2001, listens to phone calls, intercepts email messages, and monitors internet discussion boards. Former NSA contractor turned whistleblower Edward Snowden released sensitive documents to the public to show the extent to which NSA violates the privacy of heads of state, U.S. citizens, and foreigners. Perhaps Sun Microsystems CEO Scott McNealy had a point when he suggested to consumers, "You have zero privacy anyway. Get over it." Indeed, there may be zero privacy in the online classroom. Despite any protection afforded by FERPA, student information in the online classroom is far from secure. Not only is there imminent danger of NSA intrusion, there is danger from other hackers. Since 2005, there have been 10,695,778 records exposed due to reported privacy breaches in the U.S. education sector, accounting for approximately 14% of all privacy breaches. Most breaches in education are due to hacking.